So here's me having a look at worked example 4. There's a couple of ways to look at this, so I might quickly demonstrate two. Basically, we've got some kind of lantern, which means that it's very high in the sky, and it gets blown from its starting point to a new place. So there's two different ways we can look at it. We could think about what's happening on the ground and then look up, or we could think about what's happening in the air. I'll show you both. The most important thing to look at is that when we're going to draw our northeast southwest, we're actually going to draw it obliquely. So we're going to draw it with the east and west exactly horizontal, but the north and south kind of on a diagonal line. So if we're thinking about it from the ground, we might go, okay, here is my initial starting position on the ground, and if I was directly underneath that, or if the lantern was directly above that, the lantern blows 205 I think it was meters north, and then east, and then from there it goes 180 meters north. Okay, and that's what's happening on the ground. So if we sort of turn that into a floor plan, right? And then we think, okay, well, that's the ground, that's the bottom. What's happening up above? So in the sky, here was the lantern to start with. So it was above its starting position, okay? But it's ended up above this spot over here. So the lantern is now here, okay? So what you're trying to do is find the distance from its initial starting spot on the ground to its ending spot. Just bear with me one